Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite with a quick business credit and funding tip on how to obtain revolving business credit accounts without a personal guarantee and without a consumer credit check. So after you have 5 trade lines established using vendor accounts, and vendors are places like Uline and Quill that will give you initial credit even when you have none reporting now. So once you have a handful of those accounts reporting, then it's time to move on to revolving store credit. Now, revolving accounts are cards, of course, that you can use and aren't required to pay the full balance that's owed at the end of each payment cycle, right? You're able to pay a minimum monthly payment towards that actual balance. Now, revolving account approvals will begin coming from stores. So store credit is essential before you get to the final step of building business credit, which is cash credit, Visa cards and MasterCards, American Express type of credit card. So most stores will not approve a business owner for business credit unless the owner has an established credit profile and score. This is just like the consumer world. You can't walk into a store like Office Depot with no consumer credit and get a consumer credit card. They would require you have credit before they'll approve you. The same thing in the business world. You can't walk into Apple and Amazon and office supplies stores like Staples and Office Depot to get credit initially to start your credit profile and score. You have to have initially 5 or so of those accounts through vendors like Uline and Quill. Then you can start moving on to getting that kind of credit after you use vendor to establish that credit. Now, it usually takes about 60 days, 30 to 60 days, 90 days the max to get your initial vendor credit accounts reporting, and it only takes about 30 to 60 days for the store credit cards that you start getting approved for to start reporting as well. Now, most major stores do offer business credit. Home Depot and Lowe's, Office Depot, Staples, Best Buy and Walmart, Sam's Club, Costco, Amazon, Dell, Apple, BP, Chevron, and Racetrack. Almost all major retailers offer this kind of business or corporate credit that doesn't require a personal guarantee or a consumer credit check for approval. The key is to make sure that you first come in and get 5 vendor accounts before you start applying for store credit. For more information on building your business credit, including more vendor sources, revolving sources, and how to get cash credit for your business, make sure you grab your free guide at creditsuite.com/tips. If you have any questions along the way of building business credit for your EIN that's not linked to your personal Social Security number, give us a ring at 877-600-2487 or visit us online at creditsuite.com.